Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied about a biscuit factory. What we studied about? We studied about a biscuit factory and then how biscuits are made in the factory that we studied in yesterday's period. Today we are going to complete our workbook. Yesterday we have completed lesson. The only normal what is given procedure is given how biscuits are made in the factory. Today what we are going to study, today we are going to write down step by step the, here it is told, make a flow chart that shows how biscuits are made in a factory. How biscuits are made in a factory, there are 12 steps and that all 12 steps we are going to write down in our English workbook. In which workbook we are going to write down? In English workbook. On what page number it is? It is on page number 22. Okay. Lesson number is what? Our lesson number 6 in a biscuit factory. Make a flow chart that shows how biscuits are made in a factory. Now your first thing which is what we do in a factory is get a recipe. What is first thing? First thing is to get a get a recipe. What is first one? Get a recipe. Understood? Once we get recipe, then what we are going to do? Second is get the ingredients. What is second one? Get the ingredients. What do we have to get? We have to get ingredients. Put dash and then write down things that go in a biscuits. Things that go in a biscuit. Things that go in a biscuit. Okay, that is second thing. Get the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit, that is second step. Third step is decide how much of each to use, weigh each ingredient. Whatever ingredients we are going to bring from market, what we have to do? We have to do weighing of those ingredients. What we have to do? We have to do in weighing of those ingredients. Weighing means what? We have to do weighing of the ingredients. What we have to do? Ingredients which are brought from the market, we have to do weight of those ingredients. Okay, that is second step. Third step is what? Decide how much of each to use. Okay, I am writing third one. Decide how much of each, to use. Now whatever ingredients are bought, that ingredients how much we have to use in the recipe, that we have to do by what? By doing weight of the ingredients. Okay, so weigh each ingredient. What is told? That weigh each ingredient. Weight of the ingredients is done. Okay, that is third step which we are going to do in the factory, or whenever we get recipe of biscuits, that time what we have to do? We have to do weight of it. Weighing machines are there, yes or no? There are some electric weighing machines, there are some weighing machines which we are used in markets, yes or no? If you go in grocery shops, there you will see weighing of vegetables is done with a weighing machine which is hanging machine, yes or no? Both sides, two panels are there, and then weights are put in that, and then vegetables are put in another pan, and then weighing is done with the help of hand. Correct? That is what? That is one normal machine which is used, and now many new electric machines have come. Next one is fourth step is mix the things and make a dough. Now dough means what? I have told you, paste of flour. Flour means what? पिठामध्ये पाणी मिक्स केल्यानंतर काय तयार होतो? Dough. What it is? You have to pronounce it dough. You don't have to say dough. Okay, you have to say dough. D-O-U. Dough. Okay. Now fourth step is what? Mix the things. What is fourth one? mix the things and make a dough. Mix the things and make a dough. You have to do mixing of things. Now for example, what mixing you do? You will take flour, correct, पीठ घेणार तुम्ही, water, पाणी घेणार, salt if required, then salt means what? Meat. If you want sugar, then you will take sugar also to mix in the dough, correct or not? Now why sugar is required? Because biscuits are of which taste? They are sweet in the taste. So naturally you are going to add in that what? You are going to add water, you are going to add flour, you are going to add sugar, you are going to add sometimes milk, correct? Are you understanding or not? If you will get recipe, you will get all the things from the market, and then I think so baking soda will also required, so that those biscuits will become little fluffy, okay, not fluffy, but then it will become little spongy, it will increase its shape, थोड़ी फुगणार ते, okay. Fifth one is knead the dough. Fifth one is what? Is it visible? Fourth one point is visible? Yes. Fifth one point I will write down on next part. Fifth one is KNEAD, knead the dough. Knead the dough means what? What is meaning of knead? Knead means what? With the help of hands, what you do? You mix everything. Whatever ingredients you have taken in the vessel, with the help of hands, what you do? You knead. मळणे in Marathi. For knead, what we call मळणे, to it knead, okay. Don't say knead, you have to say only knead, NID. You have to pronounce it as what? NID, but actually spelling is what? KNEAD, okay. What you have to pronounce it? Knead, NID. Knead the dough म्हणजे काय? हाताने मळून घेणे, okay. That is which point? That is fifth point. After that is sixth point. Roll out the dough. Sixth point is what? Roll out the dough. After that is seventh one. Cut out the dough into into biscuit shapes. Eighth one, bake the dough shapes. Bake the dough shapes in an oven. Where you have to bake? You have to bake them in oven. There are big ovens in the factories, not small ovens which we have at home, okay. After that is ninth point, that is cool the ready biscuit. Cool the biscuits which are ready in oven, you have to remove them out, and then what you have to do of those biscuits? You have to do cooling of those biscuits. So cool the ready biscuits, okay. Next one is 10th point, that is see if the biscuits are done or if they are baked properly. See whether the biscuits are, see if the biscuits are baked properly. And 11th and 12th point is there in the book. Pack the biscuit into the packets and store and sell the packets. 11th and 12th point is there in your book, okay. As there is no place on the board, I have not written 11th. 11th is here and 12th one is here. And with the help of all these 12 sentences, you have to write down steps of how to make biscuits in a factory, okay. From that 10 I have written on the board, and 11th and 12th you have to write down from the book. Have you understood? In this way you have to complete what? You have to complete workbook writing, page number 22 of lesson number 6. Okay, remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Thank you.